McVeigh, and happy Monday. Good morning, boys and girls. This morning we have a special project and we have two people to share it with us. We have Maya and Anaya from room 220, and they have a project on the solar eclipse. Girls, why did you decide to do a project on the solar eclipse?
Because on Monday, the solar
Because
eclipse
today,
there's gonna be a solar eclipse. So we're gonna leave 30 minutes early from school.
yeah, we have an early dismissal today because there's a solar eclipse. What does it mean to have a solar eclipse?
So like this, you have to wear like these kind of glasses because
that's
because
true.
you can like become blind if you don't wear them.
Well, you have to be careful whenever the sun is out to not look directly at the sun. But during an eclipse, it looks like it's dark out, but if you look up, the sun's rays are still there. Now, this is the path of the eclipse that we're going to have today. And here's a super duper fun fact. We're not going to see that path again for 375 years. So this is really a very cool event. Now, the other thing that you mentioned is that we're leaving school early today. We are. And boys and girls, when we go out to the bus, and I'll talk about this in a few minutes, if you're going outside, we are not going to look up. Super important. Okay, and what other fun facts did you want to share?
The facts are right here, cause So we have this. So this is the path of the solar eclipse.
Yep, that's exactly, and this is where we are, right over here. So it's not going to be directly over us, but it's close enough that we can see it.
And the sun is 400 times farther
from the Earth than the moon. Oh, that is another math problem you're going to be learning in 4th grade. But so that means the moon is much, much closer to us than the sun. All right. And anything else you'd like to share about the solar eclipse? You will be getting glasses, but we're going to wear them when we get home. But we'll be getting those later in the day.
And this is like the sun, and then the moon is like blocking the sun, and then the
that's right.
Eclipse.
So here's the Earth. This is the moon, and because the sun is directly in line with the moon to the Earth, the moon blocks the sun, and so that's what it looks like. Behind this is the black spot here is the moon. Behind that is the sun.
So the solar eclipse is a black thing, and you see some like the sun.
You see the sun behind it. All right.
It's like a black sun.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Great job, girls, and we want to thank you for helping us learn about the solar eclipse. High five. All right. Good work. Okay, so now we have 2 more projects on the solar eclipse. This one is from Grace Oliver. It looks like Aaliyah, Ethan, Lucas, Rayon, Arham, and Sebastian. So why do we need solar eclipse glasses? So today, friends, you're going to be getting a pair of these glasses. And so when you get them, they'll go in your backpack, and you can bring them home. And when the eclipse is full, you will be home by then. You can go outside with these on. But when you put these on, you can't see anything indoors. These are only meant to be used when looking at the sun. Now, we're not going to be in school when the eclipse actually happens, so you're going to be putting these in your backpack. Now, the reason why you need them, though, is that, again, you should never look at the sun. But when the eclipse is happening, it will look like it's darker out, and that you can look at the sun because it's not so bright, but it still can damage your eyes, and that's why you have to have these glasses. Now, I love what they did. They showed exactly what Maya and Anaya showed. They showed that the Earth, because the moon is closer to the Earth than the sun, that the sun can actually, because of the distance away, be behind the moon. But when that happens, you will see a glow of the sun around. Now, finally, we have one more project on the solar eclipse, and this is by Elisa, Maddie, and Manor. And they say, why is the solar eclipse so special? And because it happens so rarely. Now, around the world, there's a solar eclipse about every year and a half. But in the same spot, it only happens every 375 years. So, love all those projects. All right, moving on to our mystery number and our wordle. Okay, so here we go. All right. Here we go. All right, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 letters. That's a great number, by the way. Okay. All right. This letter is the most common vowel, and this letter is the most common consonant. All right, now listen carefully to this. All right. This word is a noun. It's a noun. All right. All right. Now, we have boys and girls here that are taking an assessment today. It's a very important assessment, so when we're in the hallways, a reminder to be super quiet. Mystery number, here we go. 3 digits. Okay, listen carefully. They are all odd. They are all odd. Okay, and none of them is a homonym. 0 are the homonyms. Okay, and the first digit in the hundreds place is the least greatest odd number that is not a homonym. All right. Now it is time for our mighty kind moment of the day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. I have a new board, boys and girls. That's why it sounded different. Super cool, right? Be kind and a mighty mind, just like McVeigh. Again, this is by Penelope, who not only made these for us, but spent a lot of time. This took a lot of time. This is paper glued on top of paper, glued on top of paper to make it more artistic. And I appreciate that. And I couldn't have said it better myself. And why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty mind. Every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.